Squad. Look it. We got it. We official. No more excuses. GoPro gang. I'm with you guys. We rocking. We getting ready. Chest plates and things. Fishing blunts. You already know what's going down, boy. Whole bunch of boats. I'm juiced for this GoPro. Today I'm testing it out. Hell, I'm about to just go crazy with it today. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
YouTube. I don't know if you can see. It's like right there. Fish. A big ass bass. Excuse my language. I'm still learning. It'd be hard not to cuss. Hey, you know what's so cool about this? GoPro 7, bro. I was paying attention to it last night. It got that hyper smooth whatever. So you can shake and it'll still look at that's sick. Look at I can shake and it'll still keep my camera like straight.
That's so dope.
Huh. That's so fresh. Sorry, YouTube. I just had to explain that. So if you guys are interested in getting the GoPro 7, just getting a GoPro in general, get the 7. Don't waste your money. And get it at Costco because they got a lifetime warranty. So if anything ever happens to, look, another fish right there. It's coming in. Bro, they're swimming today.
What's he, a little striper bass?
Shit, he's gonna be on our pole bass.
Could be my bass.
Yes.
My bass.
It's my bass TV. Yeah, today, okay, so basically we try to go on that side, but it's closed off. That's Elder Creek, whatever.
Alder Creek, we went?
Yeah, we tried to go to Alder Creek, but they're having a kayak tournament or some kayak something going on. So couldn't go there today, so we had to come over here to the secret location of it. Looks beautiful. You guys see it. Stay tuned. Jesse's gonna try to catch that. Look, we back over here again, doing this rock fishing, trying to get what we can. They keep coming up to a little bank right here. It's crazy. This boy FB just smacked one, like right in his back. That boy got so spooked and got out of there. Let me go check over here. Sees it. Oh, I didn't get to record.
Okay, here's the
No, be quiet.
Get
What
your,
the?
turn around.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Let me get your thing off your
Who's
back.
gonna call Jesus?
Your bag.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, no, my bag's up there. I didn't even get to record that one. He's straight. The nasty. Here. Damn, all this damn rock fishing. Here you go. Look at it. Fishing blades hooked up. Nice little. What is that? Small one? How long? Let's see. It's a baby. He got it. Broke the line off. Put it up. Nice. It's a video, bro.
Got that in there.
Who cares? There it goes. Put it back. Alright, you've seen it. Jesse caught one. And I wasn't even recording because I wasn't even by him. And I was trying to fix something. It came untied. He had dropped the fish. That's why we were trying to manage it. And he did the same thing I did. You guys see in the last video. Like over there is where I dropped the fish. And if you look at that wet rock right there, that is where the fish fell off. Man, we thought it was gonna go in a hole, and up here it's all dry, so that fish would have died if it went deep. There's no way we could get it. Luckily we saved it. So now let's go get on another one. Let's go see. There's still trout out here. I don't think everybody came out here and took everything, so we're gonna have to get them moving and grooving over here. I seen a fat one over here earlier when I was walking. Ooh, they're jumping. Takes it. Come on, baby. Ooh. Right by his hand. Oh, look, he's coming back. Oh, there's a fat one right here. I got the wrong bait. It's all good. Yeah, I got the wrong pull. I should have went and grabbed it. Spinning. Get it over. Here it goes. Watch him. He's gonna take it. Oh, he hit it. Oh, he hit it. Let's try to do it again. Yeah, now that thing going farther out there, baby. Okay, I figured it out. I mean, I'm still trying to get a hang of this. I got this for my birthday. My girl had bought it for me. So, getting it checked out. Yeah, all that nasty. Didn't want to get that. Anything but that. Ugh. It's crazy, in the last video, I don't know if you guys seen, it was cleaner water. This video, you got another one? Oh, you got caught. Oh, lost it.
Right there, bro.
A fat one?
There's another one right there.
Damn, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Get it, bro. There's one right here, too. This one's probably a little bit bigger than that one. Switch up the baits. Now I'm just catching it. How nice this one is. It ain't that big, but still came up and took my bait. Nice. YouTube. GoPro died. Caught another one. This boy was just chilling at the bank. They're all just sitting out here. All right, let's let it go. You see where I'm at? I'm like rock fishing. I'm gonna have to tell this guy kind of far. I don't want to hit him on a rock. There it goes. Oh, he's off. Nice. That was a good one. He put up a big fight. And that's that for today. I need to get a bigger SD card because the SD card I got, it only lets me do an hour. I don't know. But you seen Jesse got to catch a fish. I got to catch 2 fish. Then it died on me. I don't know. I was just too excited the night before that I just took it out last night and just took it out the box and didn't even charge it. Just 2 juice, went straight to fishing. But it's gonna be charged for the next videos. I'm still trying to figure it all out. To press the button when I'm glad to catch one, and I just forget because I'm so excited. But I'm getting used to it. But I will get a hang of it. If you guys have an app that you use to edit all your videos, let me know. I use it straight off my phone. Everything straight from my phone. I have an iMac, but I don't really use it. I mean, it just sits there. My kids use it more than I use it. But I can edit videos on there. Just let me know. Whatever you guys use that's easy, that I can use, that I'll use it. Let me know. But all right, squad, take care. Until the next video.